Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to open PDF in Google Docs in laptop. To start, open Google Drive from the link we left in the video. Here, click New and select File Upload. You are going to select the PDF file and click Open. Wait for it to be loaded. When this is done, refresh the page to view the file. Right-click on the PDF and click Open With to choose the Google Docs option. You can see that your PDF file is visible from Google Docs. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.